2017 BMW M2 Dinan edition. Really nice fat intercooler, upgraded turbo, upgraded tune, nice sexy wrap. I love the color of the wrap. Coilovers, just a good looking car. You can see from the intercooler that it means business. Anyways, there's the cat up there. Then it's got a downpipe, 3-inch all the way back into an M Performance cab back system, which sounds really nice actually. I like it. There it is, M Performance. You guys can see the gunmetal wrap. It's a really clean, nice wrap. And you have to spend over $7 grand to get that sign on there. And it looks like it was tastefully done because it came out really nice and clean. You guys can see the wheels, the kit, the carbon fiber, the exhaust, the turbo. A lot of work's been done under the hood too. 515 horse. He just got it a couple of days ago. So it's a really nice build. Anyways, I just wanted to show it to you guys. So stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. So this is comfort mode. Go ahead. I think it sounds good. So it's right at 92. All right, put it in Sport Plus. Yeah, see it barbers. Yeah, it's 93. 94. All right, go ahead and back it up. Because I really like it. I love the color. I love how it's set up, the stance. It's clean. Look at that. And it sounds just perfect, I think. Again. Yeah, that sounds clean. M2. We really appreciate you bringing it in, man. Thank you. Yeah. So this is basically 1 out of 150 in the world. This M2 competition. They only made a 1 out of 150, and it shows. Wow. M2 competition, 1 out of 150 in the world. That's why it's all custom to the max. And we have it here in Nashville, Tennessee. You'd be surprised how crazy of a car scene we have here in Tennessee, guys. I love it. Quick. Wow, 515 horse. I love it. Enjoy, guys.